Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin with the essentials that actually stop most stutter. First, power cycle the console, hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug for 10 seconds, then restart. Once done, make sure you're using a good HDMI cable and the TV is in game mode. Poor signal or TV processing adds input lag and frame pacing problems. Finally, close background apps and install any system updates before launching the game so resources aren't being contested mid-session. Next, focus on performance sources beyond the screen. You want wired Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection because high latency or packet loss causes perceived stutter in online play. Then free up 10 to 20% of storage and uninstall any recently behaving games. Corrupted installs can hitch. Adjust performance settings, turn off smoothing or unstable VRR features if they introduce microstutters, and monitor thermals. Thermal throttling reduces frame rate consistency, so make sure ventilation is clear and the fan can. To finish, verify with built-in diagnostics and then test methodically. After backing up saves, try a soft reset or a factory reset as a last resort. This clears deep software corruption that updates won't fix. Once reset, install and run one game at a time to confirm stability. If stuttering persists, gather error codes, network stats, and a short clip or description, then contact Xbox support. A key troubleshooting tip: if problems occur only on one title, reinstall that title and check for publisher patches before hardware steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.